In a historic development for the defense and aerospace sectors, Brazil and Poland have officially signed a landmark agreement to produce the KC-390 military transport aircraft in Poland. The deal, finalized in a ceremony attended by senior officials from both countries, represents a major milestone in bilateral cooperation, signaling Poland's ambition to strengthen its domestic defense industry while Brazil expands the international footprint of its advanced aerospace technology. The KC-390, developed by Brazil's Embraer, is a modern, medium-sized military transport aircraft capable of executing a wide range of operations including cargo transport, troop deployment, medical evacuation, aerial refueling, and humanitarian relief missions. It is widely regarded as one of the most versatile and technologically advanced aircraft in its category, combining speed, payload capacity, operational flexibility, and state-of-the-art avionics. The agreement outlines a comprehensive collaboration in which Poland will not only assemble the KC-390 aircraft domestically but will also manufacture key components, including structural parts, avionics systems, and other critical technologies. This initiative includes extensive technology transfer programs, training sessions for Polish engineers and technicians, and long-term technical support provided by Embraer. Brazilian officials emphasized that the partnership is designed to foster knowledge exchange and build Poland's domestic aerospace expertise, rather than being a simple procurement contract. The collaboration is expected to strengthen Poland's position as a hub for high-tech defense manufacturing in Europe and to set a benchmark for future international aerospace partnerships. Polish defense authorities described the deal as a historic milestone that will significantly enhance the operational capabilities of the Polish armed forces. The KC-390's advanced avionics, high-speed performance, and versatile payload capacity make it ideally suited for rapid deployment in both military and civilian missions. Analysts point out that integrating the KC-390 into Poland's fleet will not only modernize the country's transport and refueling capabilities but will also reduce dependency on older foreign-supplied aircraft, thereby increasing strategic autonomy. In addition to military applications, the KC-390 is expected to play a vital role in humanitarian and disaster relief operations, supporting NATO missions and responding to crises across Europe, Africa, and Asia. Economically, the agreement is expected to provide a significant boost to Poland's aerospace and defense sectors. Local production of aircraft components is projected to create hundreds of high-skilled jobs while strengthening domestic supply chains and attracting investment in research and development. Experts suggest that this collaboration could serve as a model for other countries seeking to combine domestic manufacturing capabilities with international technology partnerships in advanced aerospace projects. The involvement of Polish companies in producing high-precision aerospace components will not only enhance technical expertise but may also open doors for exports to other European nations in the future. The KC-390 program itself has a notable track record. Originally developed by Embraer to meet Brazil's strategic air mobility needs, the aircraft has been praised for its modern design, durability, and versatility. Capable of carrying up to 26 tons of cargo or 80 troops, the KC-390 can operate in short and semi-prepared runways, making it suitable for diverse environments. Its advanced flight systems, fly-by-wire controls, and fuel-efficient engines place it among the most advanced tactical airlifters globally. Brazil has successfully deployed the KC-390 in multiple operations, demonstrating its capability in both military missions and humanitarian responses, which further validates its suitability for Poland's operational requirements. Strategically, the agreement comes at a time when European countries are actively seeking to enhance domestic defense production and reduce reliance on external suppliers. Poland's investment in the KC-390 program reflects a broader European initiative to strengthen defense readiness, technological sovereignty, and military logistics infrastructure. By partnering with Brazil, Poland gains access to a proven cutting-edge aircraft platform while Brazil benefits from expanding the KC-390's presence in the European defense market. Analysts highlight that such partnerships can foster long-term alliances, knowledge transfer, and technological innovation, potentially leading to future collaboration on next-generation aircraft, unmanned aerial systems, and other advanced defense technologies. Politically, the deal underscores the strengthening ties between Brazil and Poland. Both countries have expressed interest in deepening economic, technological, and defense cooperation, and the KC-390 agreement represents a tangible manifestation of that commitment. Beyond defense, The collaboration may pave the way for broader partnerships in civil aviation, aerospace research, and industrial innovation. For Poland, this is an opportunity to position itself as a regional leader in aerospace manufacturing, while Brazil solidifies its reputation as a global player in high-tech military aviation. The first KC-390 aircraft assembled in Poland are expected to roll off the production line within the next few years. Embraer officials have stressed that the program will be implemented in phases, with gradual integration of Polish-manufactured components and full domestic assembly scheduled for subsequent stages. This phased approach ensures quality control while allowing Polish engineers to gain extensive hands-on experience in cutting-edge aerospace processes. Long-term maintenance, training, and upgrade programs are also integral parts of the agreement, ensuring the aircraft's operational effectiveness throughout its service life. Experts suggest that the KC-390 collaboration may have broader implications for the global defense market. The partnership demonstrates the increasing importance of international cooperation in producing advanced military technology and reflects a growing trend of countries seeking strategic autonomy through domestic production supported by global alliances. Analysts predict that success in Poland could encourage other nations to pursue similar arrangements with Brazil or other aerospace manufacturers, potentially reshaping patterns of military aviation procurement worldwide. In conclusion, the Brazil-Poland KC-390 agreement represents a multifaceted strategic achievement. It enhances Poland's defense capabilities, boosts its domestic aerospace industry, strengthens bilateral relations, and positions both countries as influential players in the international defense market. With the combination of technology transfer, local production, and long-term operational support, the deal is poised to create significant economic, strategic, and technological benefits. As the first Polish-assembled KC-390 aircraft prepare for delivery, the collaboration sets a new benchmark for international defense cooperation, highlighting how strategic partnerships can drive innovation, economic growth, and operational excellence in the rapidly evolving aerospace sector.